Assalamualaikum
Aku.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hmm.
Hello, Mr. Ivan. We from group 2 and we here gonna present our project. It's about configuration of NTP server using Crony in Ubuntu. But first, let our introduce ourselves. My name is Muhammad Nanda Safadami.
My name is Ovi Purmatasari.
And my name is Akfawidi Saputra. System analysis. In this project, we will configure a Linux NTP server using Crony, NetTools, or Network Tools package on Linux and Windows client with following conditions. 1. The IP used is from the ENP0S3 interface, which is a connect to network with ifconfig command. Second, the Ubuntu version used is a 20.04 LTS. In this project, we will sort of the main configuration starting from first, repository update and install NetTools. Second is install Crony. Third, change NTP pool and add IP for NTP client access from local. And last is testing the NTP client with Windows. The goal of this project is that we can synchronize two time on computer system and network that have been configured so that we get an accurate time.
Why we need NTP? NTP is as a time reference for all equipment which will periodically provide time update with certain accurate to all equipment incorporated in the system.
Crony is a versatile implementation of Network Time Protocol, or NTP. It can synchronize the system clock with NTP servers, reference clocks, example get GPS receivers, and manual input using wristwatch and keyboard. It can also operate as an NTP v4 or RCV5905 server and appear to provide a time service to other computers in the network. It is designed to perform well in a wide range of conditions, including intermittent network connection, heavily congested networks, changing temperatures, or ironically computer clocks are sensitive to temperature, and systems that do not running continuously or run on a virtual machine.
Updating repository and installing NetTools. First, we enter the initial display of the terminal first. Next, to make it easier for us in the configuration. Then we have to go into root and become a super user with the command sudo su. Then we enter our user password. Wait until the repository update process is complete, and when it's finished, we go to the next step. After the update is complete, then we install the NetTools with the command apt-get install NetTools -y, then press enter. Wait until the download and install process is complete. Installing Crony, apt install Crony -y, process to finish. Installing Crony. After installing Crony, now what we do is check what IP we got on the MPOS interface with the ifconfig command and then press enter.
Now we know how many IP we have, which author has highlighted the IP. That IP will be used to access our NTP server later so that it can be accessed locally. After installing Crony, then we changing NTP pool and adding NTP client access IP from local. We change the NTP pool and IP access of the NTP client in CronyConf to connect our NTP server to an external network so that it can be used or accessed locally by NTP client. We use nano/ etc/chrony/chronikov for the command. Then we edit file for configuration. By default, NTP on Ubuntu server 20.04 use NTP Ubuntu, but there we add the hashtag symbol to Ubuntu default NTP pool. In the new line, we add NTP with Indonesian NTP as follow. At the bottom line, IP that we already know when using ifconfig. However, the IP that we input is changing to the IP network which originally, and the bottom line we add the IP we already know when using ifconfig. The IP we input is changed to the IP network which was originally 192.168.229/242 192.168.43.0/24. After we change the context of the chronicle file, press Ctrl plus X to exit, and you have to save by press Y, then press enter. After we change the contents of the file chronicle, then we restart the chrony. We use systemctl restart chrony command for restart the chrony. Next is to check whatever chrony is running or not. Type the command chrony source. If it appears as the image, it means the chrony is running smoothly.
For the testing, we use Windows 10 Pro for the test as NTP server. Okay, let's go.
I'll be testing the NTP, chrony NTP, but for that we must check the chrony are running or not. The first we can type the systemctl status chrony. Enter, some typo. Okay, the chrony is running. Control C for exit. Okay, after that we can see the source of chrony. The type is chronic source. Okay, we can see this the IP pool. Okay, this is the stratum for reads last and example. Okay, after we see this, no. Okay, we will wait. Okay, after that we can minimize the virtual. Okay, so let's synchronize the time. Okay, first click right button on mouse in a clock, and we select the adjust and time and type, and then in relate settings we select clock or different time zone. Okay, and next we select an internet time. Okay, change settings. Okay, in this section, in this part, we were typing the IP of a NTP server. Okay, 192.168.43.229. Okay, after we typing, we update now. Oh, sorry for the mistake. Okay, if appear the notification like this, we success. It means we successfully to synchronize NTP client with the NTP server. Okay, we can say okay, and okay.
That's all from our group. More or less, we apologize profusely. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.